أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين رمضان كريم بعدين جوبي لالو أنا ملبي لاموي كان مبال كنتنا سنكر هرماري مبالا مبافلا موبي رمضان كريم famo keta bari bi natale rek kanyin sot video ke Gambia dingol ye homan diaspora momo bajube kan sainten ni sa siano asia al nal badi malen general melah el polpo nadiate ko al burah wadi be sunkarola kono abe diala nyini ko general al burah lanata diam tamole jang laftale nale kuwol kacha melbe dendin na banko la melbe dendi Gambia la men nyanta ke mobe la suloti ala baraka hajara e ngotale mbote ila ex father la ni obe killing bari yalon ko o banku maya ko men kana fo wala butol loti adun tonya keso ngaje nyame mba fula wala jam manna ka mo kam fandi manna ka mo nya kono jube nata men na membe banko nafala mbadati la men na folo walen banko ko balafa warata banko la alpha banketa president wati ay ta banta la banko akani banku dingol lebe mitla ani wo banku dingol be mitla diamo man na lo 5 ans man na sunku 5 ans foka ke tribal bigotry kake nyo hadani kuolti kake tilimbali akumolta ka fo siyo me alonko banko ka wo siyo le siata be de president o nyatli ngola akata ta banko dingol le mit o ketanye kulti me alonko nga nyembuta yele nga ko bayle aman dianya budun sai mol be ke fansun sedoti yalo wato watin tolbe ka fo men ko ne ka fo be mol to ko yala kula mem mansoto ban tol buka mo to ko abi ko nyaaye men dal ka wala fo adu moto so no la kabring president baro tata independence celebration o aten Sierra Leone akane Gambian population o be mitla pour kacha ila kacha keta menti ni Gambia ko be fola mambala wala ba nin ko nga tonya fo jointe nyonya ko no jubela di amo siata nyim banko ka nim mandin ko le nyim fonon sidoma bi tilola ebe diamla e ba cikala e ba kala flago te bari sidomo wala fo mandin ko ma nyim banko ka ntebe o bayla because ntol Gambia bi we are interrelated mbele den danka futu nyoye mansi fisande siti wonto sikili manya na wulla eka sido la kumof amba fala akita nyame president be sunya role fo kanyim banko kan o fana ma fan kalanolon because amandi am sara hurol be toyala ate fonle ma fan kalanolon diam ta fon toyala because sara kulol mu mo kendol let sara kulol mu mo dinaringol let sara kulol mu mo let meli alon ko mo lo hormal bari wo sara kule sifal kafo kono e ko si fal sotole walla mu kafo nyin na sadati bare mbafale fanjam fandi o ku si fal ni wodi am si fal la amanke kuti mo nyanta kam mem fo nyim banko kam be nyin tembo mento molbe dewndin kulla la melni wodi am furi ngol manke kelindi o mo kuma furi ngolti amambo mo da ko na manke mo furi ngoti na ya fanju be baka balo na ta manke fenti ata man jari fankala kumo fo bara ko nyimbe satale be ko skule me alonko si kuolem nyantang hakilo to wato baki president men bota jang si fakele nu miajen ka bay akana kudo le wulu mel man nyinya mandin kol wollen suwati ni ko sunyaro president ko sunyaro banta banko kan jam banko kan mandin kol len suwati bari wolem kuma tilimbaloti wolem kuma tinyari ngoti wolem kuma furi ngoti wolem kuma lombaloti ni mari me nyimfu hani ala nyati li ngoto mbo flate mandinkol le fisatati nyim banko kanjang mandinkol le fisatati abe kuo kuto mandinkol le fisatati walla longati atabe mento mba fala la hukumo kuma furi ngolti bonda da sunkandi men kona murundi woto nyim banko kan ni kubete ata kabri 1965 akuo nyato mandinka mantu koma ni Gambia be bola independence kono the independence may a champion alongside other people wol kono kombonkola alpha bije wokono sa dawda kairaba jawara bije wokono sirif seku ba sise bije wokono alpha jama men ko reverend jesi final bije wondo nimme o long imanyan na fula ko nim banko kay te bela diamo le bela kumandi jeno be siri mansanya tilngola ika fo sunyaro banta Gambele mandin kolta sunyaro kala kotangi o mukuma furu ngolti o mukuma kalanta ngolti o mukuma nori ngolti o kumo manyan na fola at that instant the president fo nyanta ko wule aw kumo condemn because amanke kuti me alon ko mo nyanta ka fo president nyatile ngola. It is not a statement that is worthy to be said in the front of a president. The president should have condemned it outright. Ko imanya na ofola kana ofo bayra ataka fa mu mandin kolti bayre mangi la mosisi e from be sealing tenoto e be rasionen na e man fen fo bulol ka ko ci raw raw e be continuer la di amola ninatin na mol ka sila president wala ko wala nina na mol ka sia minority ka fo e be majority e be intimidate la banko ka nina na mol ka sila Katu nita bota siomento wol manke more than 3 or 4% of the population. Etaka sido na ikebulo chodi wala eka kuma furi ngofama. Ifele ini mel denta si kili wala ini mel ka kan kili ngofo. Yedol doya, yedol malundi. Iman diham wol toya la itala faham balia. Ila kunim balia, alina tole ya. Yole yitandi nim video nyinto. It's viral. But it's very disappointing of a Gambian. Talk about Gambian issues in Sierra Leone. Gambian la problem o kachaba membe Sierra Leone wala fisata independent lumba. Ita man nasa fo mandin kolte sunyaro ka. Onyo wuli ya buke wala be kere. Mandin kolte len sumati nyim banko ka. Sun kanyangol mementi nyim banko ka aliye lonne. Komisono e sun kanyangol melto fo nyim banko ka aliye lonne. Mandin ka jumale be wol kon. Jane commission fela abanta science ala findings wol menke. Ye mol membe indal koy mu sun kanyangolti. Mandin ka jumale be wol kon. Nim banko la doku mandinkol banyat nim banko la sabato mandinkol banyat nim banko la tankmo mandinkol banyat munen nim kuoti wato ku kilingo dawo buka kuntuno mol ka wulle jande ka mandinkol ne akake kuti melon ko wote fent natra mandinkol nim kusi fafo sibo to wi nafikolu ku mandin general ani chafu sisewol tombi wulte ba ko condemn la bani mammoje follow so called activist dalasi vistol mele alon koy manta fenna ila poso o so-called politician ol mele alon koy be willing e koy ka banko la yeke kilindi. If you want to heal a nation, you want to reconcile a nation, you should not attack the biggest tribe in that country and in front of the president. So ntanga jelo wolum kuti ko e nyanta ko condemn le o mu utter nonsense let nta sonna nyim banko kanjang kotenke nga nyobunya nga nyo horoma ba mote wula e siota anyati nga anenyi banko kan atenola mbanke se wulenke adu na flanjanta na manke abe sunkaro kono kuma dol bije malla fikefo na flanjanta sikuma fo me yalonko mota ku mo nyimba na be kon tolu nyanta mo belt muna na mol ke nyatili mola mun dalil de boka so sign political te anymore sign Gambia kuti anymore sign si kuole na interruption ole soto ninta sunkaro kono mbe kuma fola dimba hane fire service be nate ani pompier be sapi pompier membe be Senegal ata dimba fanol mun kule nyindi mun nonsense nyindi mun balafiri na mun hasidi yale nyindi mun jaw yale nyindi mun kulo mbali yale nyindi mun nonsense le nyindi ni men nyante fanto wala mu rikusiti pruye nyandol ntol nene buka wuli nga kuma furi fo wandi sioma ene tam wala ntol be ka fo men kono wala tin nako ngon na ka fo UDP nin na party leader Ousainou Darboe nyon tam wala mat ko ate ayi tandile a demonstrate la ala musu fulol be manka asioti asignol manka asioti ba tene ni kuma si famo UDP ka folo munana wato wadi ni kuma sifa munati na wato wadi ni kuma furin sifal ka to fola ado aka fo president nya tilingola mune o sabu hey ali nga fata nyoma bare akuyata me adiata me nyaabe tela touch ile mandin kol de la nyim banko kan nata ate men fata mo tribalism timba fa bigotry in tribalism mam space ro nto la nyi gambia banko tribalism nim bigotry mam place so nto la nyim banko kanja nyim mansa kunda men bebe felli nyim mansa kunda me alon ko atara mbulo fa mawlo itani wo president be siri nyora gambia be table fankas gambia la kuobe chafu sisering molbul gambia la kuobe bala fato gambia la kuobe demoto ita man senso te be mom fona ko ke nyatali mandi ko ka fo suñaro banta gambia fo gambia la problème mu suñarol gambia la problème o tambita suñara do sun kanyawol be mo tolleti ita men ka diamu ita no ñuy fi falme anko almanson na dokula ala yal fanke kumandi njilati president we ala kafo mol kono sun kanyawol be walla ala kafo mol kono gambia la jane commission ye recommendation me wosum kanyangol bebe barole dala ita mo wolfo ita kafo ko mandin ko te suñaro kala mandin kana ne suñar ki te nyala minto hanila sibo kono ni ofo malbali akumot ntale ngaf ala futan dama ali ya janjandi ko abe fatala mol ma nama fata mandin ko ni buwoni buda e kale buda ka fara ba buo ka kale na nyaata no mandin ko abe falal dak ni banko kan abe mandin ko jela jande bi ay je dan sama ay je dan sinende ni o kuyata ay to falling ala banku di ya falling ala ID card falling a ke selo le ID card hande selo le na kuyata diata se mandin ko de sako gamdi o bala firinto kumolu o nonsense kumolu o tribalism kumolu o bigotry kumolu mo ka fo president nyala mo ma wule a bouton lo ay tanda ko ta kam fo e ka kuma fuli ngol fo kuma tiñar ngol re tebe kuma tiñal la ntol man na wala jannata banku do ko wala bare ate kala mo le surprise ti bayri itol fon la ka fo mol man jabos ate kalante surprise ti bele man jabos because they want to divide and rule. They are going to the old book. They want to read from it. Bariko. Kunun den kilome kunun kafo janjang. Ni ala bi kafo to ebe kafo janjang ko to adu inshallah ni kafo abe janjan na abe burukala. Go ye nyaatili mella wolte moti nyanta ke nyaatili mel. Iko ebe feala mella mo buka fea wolla. Inshallah. Amakato si bay ite nyaala jang. Nga itande ko nintol musungolde be suñaro kala faye sene nyaatili wala set. Nim manke sungoti fana abe sene ale ma kontrol manke sungoti. Mon furin kuma le wote o mo furin kumo o jahili yakumo o jaw yakumo o hazid yakumo o tilimbali yakumo mallafika moy jang kotek ni nga moy damen kono adasi tay na man tay asifara jam fo Freetown be dame o nonsense ya manya mona na molta fatala mol ma way atol kal ta fatala mol ma muneket ala la kuolke ala la politiko ke ala la ku mol fo ala la agenda was bare alis fatantol la siyoma please mandinkaya akuyati ete wo sototal mandinkaya akuyati adiati abe sabatila mandinkaya membija akuyati atige wo munati na ya fonga kanu ni okuyata me ko ye nya tay ni okuyata me ibe nyaal tela ntol mambam mot mamban sito mbuka si kajafi muna na molbe tule ke nyaata mandinko la ke kajafi bari nyaaton ko la ala bari wato wata kakele aketa janne si nyafula mo wulta si obe nen kuma fala ko mol ka wuri ka alfal nen kuma buka foy la ko mol ka wuri ka mol attack kuma buka la ko president kata siri alfal kanen kuma buka foje sa fele president be siri men kata banko be nyaaton ko mol wulta ko be nyaatil na mande ko ata keno la nyim banko ka ate nola jara mela ko ate nola modol ke fanke muslimol wol mu kafirol let male kitabu jumal le karam o bini bi jumal ka wol le karam man fellong imam faham ila dunia ya yo kete kensenti anyanta kele nyaayel lanti bara manke nyaangen koy do banko men kan selalion fitino men ketawra nin ko men ketawto ibebe bori wo kalamale so nata momo ko ebe o nyaatil na nyim banko le ibe fella ibe malla nyim banko mu duwa jaabi bankolti nyim banko mu kayra bankolti mota kuma fono la jam membe mol kumol sendina nyola adu ni momo ye ngaba wala pour ka fitino wulende abe donc les fonds kunkili ko la kan ite kasara bari gambe o betula nyama entele ngo foye ala fa mare ko ma fan kala lo adunga ka diam menna kama menna wo siyo molu mo kende balle biji mo kallanke balle biji atele bala faham bale anala tole yala annala kumandin jelo la nabe president ono ma bu domo la ay domo je ay fatantol ma namam fatantol ma nsa alonda fangol alondi lunga na bodula nsa be fay wala kumoten semen sindi no atema ngim banko mbe minto mba folo la dami afele kibaro nata science nun ton ka même foy konka kibar nka kanna lando leke resident doctors and midwives is press statement di kayta diko banko la health system wo crumble tala feltale juna barona mol atol men kasi alkal ka barola agenda le fasa alka barola patio support banko be burukala nyaati banko be kasara la mbari musolu ndingolu molbe fala lopitano to tingoto molbe fala lopitano to sasa la mele alonko ila wato sinya nya ban nata e medicare soto dum dolbi di alasike iye iniole kan molbe fala mol mele alonko e kasula dielo le ibuka soto lopitano to hani mea glof mi la fe la doku ke ibuka soto no e ka fele ta pharmacie to yasa wonte masi bote ni banko ka alte diamula wala kula ban ale mol dandi ka president o pressing ka perpetuate ka kuma fa mente so ni banko bebe tinyari mo la balo be koleari sense sabiti no ba ha ala fo wo sara kule kendi mo membala o malbali akumo foka anala tole akumo nala faham bali akumo fanyi membe kerim banko ka tamambo kala ma fata baadi ngol ti jamba abota ma fa mena galaso ka sanje dalasi keme fata mambo kala ma ba kurambu ka soto je fata mambo kala ma ba ata diamula wala kola ba wala man fisa ba fala ko man ni ya moy o moy adala ala ko mo bota da men sa murundi ji o don sense kubo banko bebe tinyari resident doctors ni midwife bal tempulam bal jey sa mol ya jele ko minister ni permanent secretary wol be la kunkili nafal la mel mu front line wo kasolti wolle be torari adu yeto nyafo ni tol dol kuranta jebe duna pile no la yete fanjara ni o no sol dingo midwife sol kuranta ibitami where will they go? Nowhere. Who will take care of them? Nobody. Because it's sasajan. It's a problem also. It's a government approach. There is no money for such issues. Or if the minister is sick or his son, or if the president is sick or his family, they get immediate evacuation to the most competent hospital all around the world. Jandibo kale etenna l'hôpital equipe là-bas. Etenna health facility equipe là-bas. For sanji tallulo ani woron tol betula nyin dani rol nin chafu sisi andin sadamu tol la molbul. Me alonko we can create millionaires coming na party leader of Nyame lawyer Uchen Dabo. In all sectors of our economy, every facet of our economy, we can create Gambian millionaires. How? The answer is with UDP. We want to see no all discuss, but a plan of Bembul to create millionaires in all facets of our economy. Agriculture, animal husbandry, business and entrepreneurship, infrastructural development, IT and technology, cross-border business, import, re-export and re-import. Abe asikeno under UDP government. Wanda ale Gambia bondi selling olbul. Ale Gambia bondi mo hadumering olbul. Ale Gambia bondi business men olbul mele alonko e buka banko la interest jube fangol la kunkili nafa ani la poso kono. Banko e bon sun kajangol bula ka même fo sungolo bo sun kajangol be nyim baro man sakunda la kono mo be long. Dane commission. Mol men kata mol la central bank. E ka withdraw wal kije men ka si a million old. Ibe Syrian say Wallen chief of protocol. He has questions to answer. The Minister of Finance has questions to answer. Hani sign phone. Wol phone la budget wol to e ka melki je han sign. Hani nyum COVID-19 men tambi tatenga la procurement na la cool among Seneano. Kununko jane internal audit ye Gambia save over $32 million is beyanko State House Office of the First Lady. Ministers claiming ko $900,000 okay Zoom conference. Yo be reject wonyo sun kanya yala be kenya be kan juma la mansa kunda ko adamo pa ite nyabe o sun kanya nyabe tilinde sun kanya wala bosa nyabe tilinde ma fo ko na banko be tinyala be sunya rol melna anal be tilimbali akol melna ngam faale tay nyim black sign mine membe sign te abe num gatle bulu but sign there is another company there me ya lonko investigation will be only ya confirm ko president barindingo wala maradi wala men keta njaganing Ahmad Sanate wala be responsible in the other company there ni e mol so eta kisikisiro ke fawle ba afele Gambia say mano everything single source sole suppliers cement ko wala da cemento da wajabita say na business on the mano re-export according to reliable sources the suspicion of bijele ko President Barindingo Ahmad Sanate lafta the sole supplier of rice for the government in a discreet bidding process in the Ministry of Trade. Allegations are made to be clear. This is our country. When we smell something that is not good, we talk about it, regardless of who you are, where you live, or what is your status. That is our civic right as citizens of this country. Yes. Ojon tilimbale abe kering sun kanyangol be sun plano la pour ka kodo soto mo be la election process o facilitate la no nyama fota kering nyim banko kamba mol nyaabe tilindi wala ikoto fala Gambia la karambunda bebe jahasiri nyoko ni mo wuli tang anim fulasita less than 10% of that 12,000 leka required entry into the university. Nimol graduate from that university, only 0.2% get employed. We don't frustration Rebecca. Can the government please come and fix that? Can that foolish man from Sierra Leone who claims to be a Gambian come and fix that for this government, this failing government? They have a failed setup. Everything that they touch turns to something bad and so. Whatever they touch is bad. Whatever they do is bad. When you come to agriculture, people living as far as Miss Sandu Misra, amanke je koku on fon takaji wol musol ka tigne la gadinol to because ibuka babu wa Alfonso to ibe la gadino fence la men na because ni bota je ni solbe dunna gadino kono ye rafi fengol be kasar je o mansa kunda be ja wol sina mun e mun fo mole ata danna wala na jar kombo jang momo be gadindo ko yalon jio ma mole si ibe minno la menna jio ma mole si ibela muslime yake no la menna so jobe wol sila nyaadi la kela agriculture yiri wande ni kura man sabati banko men kan agriculture be sabati no la nyaadi la wala energy sector te gambe jam kura man sabati jiote sabati no ni tata dula dol to niaje wol kemin jobe na bala falte bo holo te sate doldo some people they walk 10-12 kilometers to go and fetch water me alon ko abe duri ne pour que min no ala o bebe nyim banko kan ja mol ka fo mole ko development be nyim banko ka abe minto ma fam personal development ha modol mole jele sanji nani komandre be nyamen sayla life be metamorphose ta kenta chumwai sita wasane bi amo siata ni banko hey ali wol fix mole health hadi mo fadi o bebe kasara nun to ko mol ka propaganda lake but say no soli aitan dilako it's not propaganda what is the hard fact Gambia health system is crumbling, it's near to failing. Lopitano to bori bukasoto equipment bukasoto protective equipment for even health workers is not available. Their allowances are not paid. The amount they pay them allowances hanita dile la wulo la sokon purumu monkey wo ba buncho albe sidi njal ka kuma furi mo fomole altira la president no ma how fix ba fomole be kala la nyaadu monde même be banani banko kan come December 5th UDP government in this country bye bye to all this nonsense. Welcome progress, prosperity for eternity. UDP is the solution. Mo kanal nene hani muso ni meta nyinela ni o muso so reka mutakule UDP meta nyi mansa kunda nyinela e believe ta men na sanji mo ani woro hansa be believe wala e mela yatu je mo la kula eni mota son material hanata iddi ngola menti fana ngam boytole because ila tara mbulol mu melti wal mu self perpetuation leti kunkilin nafa UDP mantalori wakan Gambia interest first, other people's interest last. Economy bebe dundi nyoko na mola living condition is terrible. Al nyabe tirinde wala al mau fix no atol so called business magnetol luwa so bu kamani banko kan dumale be mardi wala president font la femme kabrate makke president abe men business online men konen kawa real estate agency rent collection sa te ko dal men font baate font la onda la majum estate wol dol kadi wuli lulu two bedroom and pal 6 months in advance. Mansakunda department juma bije kamel jo in advance 6 months. So molbe ol bungol jo la nyadi. They are not thinking of reforms on rent. They are not thinking of land reforms. Land eta land yolia, real estate agents only limit. It cannot more exploit when it finally rise to business. Yes. But let the landowners not be exploited. Well, landowner but the chunk is belongs to Combo. Combo Kolka compensate ni munela. People are not saying people from somewhere else cannot get land in Combo, but go. Mel tamula perennial land solti, ila indigenous land sol, alke compensate munela mantakunda. What are the benefits? Ngama nemo mo land estates to dauda, well nenta lopita and kendos and nenta basic social amenities to the football fields, hospital, a good market, and a good recreational park for that community. Is that happening in this country? The president and his cabinet are not thinking that way because the busy men na ke fan self-perpetuate. Eba mola election o manipulate la nyabile ba rig la nyadile puru ka incumbent nyintuje atenola nyimbanko kanjam kotenke nte son. Fisheries kai aiwali nunto mol ka fole ko kodi tembulo mbado ni ngata stalu sono ngata nga chalo san kombotura nanna chundin tabi ba sa o kombotura sa mo mudasi kebaltiko ibuko domo naje siso buka ma lip sign hanidi abuka kidinyo kansa woni subu kilo manyo dande 120 140 bla dolto subu kilo be 200 230 woni sise kilo enyo dam mina menka bo tubabu maramara left imanyo dam sen wala na sa lip sign mansono ya mole spaghetti faji ndole mutakani jabo mix ni banko ka maintain ninki je ndanko e se fanso no barole onati mole ni balu nyamane junk food albe siri ngal man few fora alkal ka simin tole sarene na alkal ka mandi ko le ka def ida soronje da sunkanding ibike da bros mbe banko security tentula mbe jayila mbe tentula ko be jabi because they are working under a condition that is not helpful, that is not conducive. E bulol be sitting e be dewnding e be deteri fon la banko ka na internal security ko di ECOWAS me fon le bondino sa ko nyim banko ko men be ka nyim banko ka mola insecurity is at its highest ever since kabo independence kana fa say momo be tamala e be dewndi momo be yaale e be dewndi mun be keri wato wati mole fat ya siti boto le kono ya dundi jile kono ya kunne fay jana ya dulado le kuntu ya dulado buka understand so usually so le be nyim banko gamba so vampire le be nyim banko gamba fo mun be keri nyim banko kana ni Gambia dima ni Gambia safe heaven for everybody or turned to be a safe haven for who? Only the violent people, only the criminals. What is happening in our country? Akabekala transit for drug peddling. Hardcore. But the mama and motor hansa are prosecuted na UDP motor me diamla. Mahmoud, for be motor sambala we dum box yokona ya fire ko you are charged for peddling drugs. Can you defend yourself? I don't know which judge is going to sit over that case. But anyway, I raised that case because it's a non-starter ngafole dumuje fem. Aleli golo sillahiya. Meli alonko albatra kan neka UDP implicate in all of your this strategy. We had it before. We had that warning told tariata al tariata nyonya al burah le tariata. Itariata nyonya melah le tariata. Igarauta nyonya imam melah si. Hania fue la cabineto le kono inata salodo janni be ni jila melax kalon ne mun be kiri ate no la jang alimo no di melman no sanji mo ni woro e be ku do le fala UDP ma man na man ko ku nyemul ni wo ku nori ngoti ate no la jim banko bena security tentula police wol mbal tentula albaka takam but we don't have the requisite environment to deliver but yet still everybody in the country will going to be a police officer and support you. Yes, IG. We will do that because we love this country. This is the place we have. Until mambo dulado to mama woro ulo be bota nyim banko le kan tabla ten tolla. Wonton tol tajala mo be nyim banko tinyala nga nyaka asila. Ate nola nyim banko kan ala janjandi. Yes, melah laugh. Mbe soldier roll kontonna. Mbe tentula our gallant soldiers. Our competent soldiers. Not everything they do at times is correct. But overall, overall grade, I will give them a passing grade. Well, nobody is perfect, but the Gambia Armed Forces is a force to be reckoned with in the sub-region. They are recommended all over the world in all peacekeeping missions in milk, you know what I mean? AU peacekeeping, ECOWAS peacekeeping. But say, they frustrated in Bangkok. They turn them to be beggars. They turn them to be idle people. They turn them to be dependent people. They turn them to be beggars. That is the sorry side, Gambia Armed Forces. We are proud of you. We are so proud of you. Imagine the bus service for the National Army. When you improve it, you should not be seeing soldiers standing idly in town begging for lift or ride. When every soldier is contributing $200 towards that bus service. At times, we boso ena, you have a boso fatal. So the roller boso when you take a fall. Umukawa quality. Umanyana kenola. In our civilized democracy, in our civilized Gambia, Gambian soldiers pay $200 for transport at the end of the month. Yeah, did not get a salaries. Moto buka soto. Ni boss dan tawol men nate ka fo fata. Say na fata mel man du wol bita nyaade. CDS, can you please look into the plight of the army officers? But even you are looking into their plight, if you just recommend and you say things that should be done to them and they are not paying heed, your hands are tied. I pity all of you. Definitely, I'm not blaming you. I'm blaming the system, and the head of the system is Adam Barrow. Can you please fix our army? Can you please pay attention to our army? Can you please help our army? Can you please help our brothers in arms and in uniform so that they will be able to do their job? All these issues we're talking about insecurity, if they are empowered and they are given the right requisite, everybody know how competent the Gambian National Army is. They will fix it very soon, very quick. Yes, can you please take care of them? There is hunger in our military barracks. We know it. About 78 people sharing 8 bowls. How can those people be fed? The quantity is small, the quality is very low. The food in the barracks, because mol le denda. Ikata mol jube. Ikata doko le doko kikam banko imam motivate. Alme hati. Ila domorol man betea nyin sunkaro kono be sunni be doko la imantra hapiring. Wole munti gake gala magambe National Army. Yes, the quality of the food is very poor. The quantity is small compared to what the army. They should be well fed. They are the most important pillar of our society. They are the most important component of our democracy. They are the most important people in society here. They should be well motivated. Because with them, our sovereignty is guaranteed. With them, our security is guaranteed. With them, health workers can do their work. With them, government workers can go to work. With them, Gambia can be at peace. So please fix this as soon as possible. This is a civic and a patriotic advice to the President, Adam Barrow. Fix our army officers. Let their food be enough for them. Please. Imam Motosoto. The battalions in the Gambian National Army don't have vehicles. Even they want to do their patrols, they are short-handed. They need to go President Kendo. He bring moto tala ibadi la lenyu kumandi jela mele alongo imanya ndakila Gardner the American embassy. Gambia soldier la battalion ol besiri moto killing katara full battalion ko o at all moto buka soto. Ibe do ko kala nyaadi le. Ni ku manta ya soldier ol bijan fo soldier ol mujjin wala tema. Ni man do ko soto be menkela o man fendile be do ko kala men ne ba keno la nyaadi. Moto tebulu. That is the hard fact. Staff sergeant in the Gambia National Army, the lieutenant and commission officers. Some of them are earning less than $100 a month after paying whatever dues they should pay. After deductions, they will go home with nothing more than $100. That's $5,000. How can they pay rent? How can they take care of their families? And how can they be happy with a system that they need to watch out for, that they need to protect? My friend, take care of our army. Take care of our brothers. Now, Faleko, we trust this army more than the economic. Yes, they came here. They prevailed over and brought sanctity in the country. Fine. Let them take ownership, our country needs to be governed by Gambians. It needs to be protected by Gambians. The internal security should be in the hands of the Gambian National Army, not otherwise. Please, Ali la do ko dila. Ali la battalion will fix your motor also. Ali empower. In a salary scale. Some of you people, ministers, some of you permanent secretaries, Allah Padiamol, Allah Fuel Kuponol, can pay this army lieutenants and captains 3 times, not talk about your salary. And you want to say whatever is going wrong in this country, you want to blame the army. Army. I'm praising you, kudos, salute to the army officers out there in this night. Salute to those army officers putting their life on the line with all these terrible working conditions to make sure that the Gambians are at peace. I salute you all. Patriotic soldiers. I salute you. Ngal tentu, ngal jeyi. Nin sunkaro ko nal jora mo tentol bulo man satalla men se moljo alama alayal jo. Al ngani mu fen fen ngim banko kan alama o ngani yo timmandila. Ni ku kendo lem alama alayo ngani yo timmandi. Bare mba falale ko. Ndol tal tula jeri. Ntal sono la kodola. Momo kunkilin na. Bare Allah ko mol na la problem mol men kajen safo. Pour se man sa kilo blande ay ko ma jube ke Allah kuwal wala na civic right wala na banku din kende yati adum do kala because na jele ko almu banku din wolte adum mola banku di yata al nyato ala baraka mbal tentu mbal jay la ñu ngi leen na santa di leen gërëm ci seen liggéey yu rafet yi ngeen def Gambia National Army gaace gala. I'm thanking all of you from the bottom of my heart sincerely. It's non-political, this statement is patriotic. Is Gambian, one for all for one. That is what they do, the army. They live for nothing but die for something. The wars will come and go. But our soldiers, they will stay eternal. That is the Gambia Armed Forces. The war is not over until the general comes home. And inshallah, the general will come home. We are proud of you, and we are watching out for you. We are your keepers, like you are our keepers. We are each other's keepers. I'm proud of the Gambian National Army. With all the working conditions you have, with all the frustrations, with all the lack of trust, with all your competence and your know-how, with all your gallantry, you are still serving the Gambian people. You are still serving the Gambian people. The reforms should start with you. You should be given a much more attention that you are giving right now. You should be given more facilities than you have now. Instead of your conditions to be improving, it is getting worse. It is getting worse by the day. Hell no. The only answer to that, inshallah, come December, will uplift those hardships on the National Army. We'll make sure you take ownership of what belongs to you, courtesy of a UDP-led government under the leadership of His Excellency, Lawyer Ousainou Numukunda Barrow, the beacon of hope for all and sundry. He is the soldier that all the less privileged and the orphan will lean on. He is the beacon of hope for the elderly. He is a mentor to all patriotic citizens. He is the light at the end of that dark tunnel. He is our hope. And by the grace of the Almighty God, he is going to be the best president or the best thing that has happened to the country for the last 56 years. With Ousainou Darboe at the helm of affairs, Gambians are guaranteed of justice. Gambians are guaranteed of peace. Gambians are guaranteed of prosperity. Gambians are guaranteed of dignity. Gambians are guaranteed of development. Gambians are guaranteed of economic stability. Gambians are guaranteed of a very good living conditions. Gambians will be guaranteed of the best medical care they can ever imagine under his leadership. A luta continua, Victoria est certe, The struggle shall continue, and victory is certainly ours, the United Democratic Party and the Gambia at large. Thank you, Ousseynou Dabo. Thank you, UDP. Thank you, the catalyst of this change, the change that everybody voted for and after we regretted. Thank you, Solo Sandeng. Thank you, the late Lamaro. Thank you, Nogo Njai. You are a living legend. Thank you, Falan Sonko. Thank you to all those people, Fat Kamara, who bear the wrath of a dictator and a tyrant to make sure Gambia is a better Gambia. But we are disappointed in the incumbent. Instead of concentrating on how best to wipe our tears, heal the nation and reconcile the nation, the guy who we voted for and have hope on is busy perpetuating himself at all costs, by all means, to stay in power for the next 15 years. That is the wrongest number Adam Barrow can dial. You've dialed the wrongest number. Gambians are not full, and we will not allow you to have another 5 years. Come December 5th, we will yank you out. We will put you out of the State House through our ballot box, and we will show you to the Gambia, our homeland. To the Gambia, our homeland. To the Gambia, our homeland. I raise my case till I come your way next time. This is your brother. In solidarity with the Gambian National Army, in solidarity with the nurses and the midwives, in solidarity with the Mandinka ethnic group, General Mela El Polpo, signing out. Ramadan Kareem. Alaba.